Hi everyone, this is Sam from the Sandalas shop. Welcome back to our Sandalas training videos. In today's video, we will be making the Bloom Sandala. As per usual, you can go ahead and use your eraser rake to make a clean and even canvas. Following this, using an up and down motion with your rake side of the eraser, you can go ahead and do the center pattern. Then, we'll use again the rake side of the eraser to do the second pattern. Following this, using the side of your eraser, we'll do an up and down motion to do the outside one. You can go ahead and use the narrow side of your eraser to do this design. Finally, you can go ahead and use your eraser to outline everything. There you have it, the Bloom Sandala. I hope you enjoyed today's Sandala. As always, stay tuned for more upcoming tutorials and have a beautiful day.